Hi, everyone. I'm Matt Peterson, and the app I chose is Kahoot. Kahoot, if you have never heard of that before, is a fun way and engaging way to gamify learning and assessment. And so it'll let you take multiple choice questions and a variety of different question types and have your students answer them on their own devices. So I'm going to go to a lesson that I've used before. This is a rounding review, and I'll show you just a couple question types. So this here is just multiple choice. It'll pop up on the screen, and then on student devices, they'll all go and answer it, and then earn points if they get it correct, and then to a lesser extent, earn points based on how quickly they can answer it. I've got some other question types in here too. This one on their device, they could drag those different colored tiles to put them in order from least to greatest. Down here, numbers you round to 40,000. This is a multi-select. So I've noticed that's something my students struggle with when there's more than one right answer. And then this last one is the students would go and they would type in the answer in a text box. And then this tells basically the computer, what the correct answers are. So it's been really engaging in a really great way to get students to practice different content and to get me some really good data. But another cool thing is that you don't have to make all of the lessons yourself. In this Discover tab, you can search for anything. So I'm just going to search for dialogue. That's kind of a tough thing for my students sometimes. And we're going to see a bunch of different lessons that teachers have made about dialogue. So if I click this one, I can go through, I can check out the questions, see if I like it. If I don't, I can go back and find another one. Or if I want to modify it, so maybe I don't want to play this exactly as it is, I can edit this, and then it's going to allow me to duplicate this lesson. So now I can go and make changes to this, make it my own. Maybe it's too long, so I'll get rid of a couple of these. Maybe I want some different questions. So I might go down here and click add question. And then I can choose the question type I want to put in. Or I can search the question bank, which I love because, again, it saves you time as a teacher. So I'm just going to search for dialogue rules. And then I can look through here and find a question that might be helpful for me. So I might go and pick this one. Dialogue is defined as, and it's a multi-select again, when characters are conversing, when someone is talking. So I can grab that question and click add, and then it shows up exactly in my slide, and I can move it earlier if I want to, and I'm ready to use that. A couple other great things about Kahoot. So I'm going to take us back here. These reports will show you exactly how your students did. So you can see individually how each student did, and you can also see how the class did as a whole, maybe what some difficult questions are, who needs some help, who you need to go check in with. Uh, the other thing I really love is when you choose a quiz that you're going to use, you can play it a couple different ways. You can teach it, so you put it up on your whole screen, and then students all answer on their devices. You can set up a challenge, so then students play independently. And this is great because they can practice as often as they need to. They can try and improve their score. Or you can have it as just a practice game. So you play single player, but you also get some virtual players. So you're not just like playing completely by yourself. Uh, that's pretty much it with Kahoot. I know that was quick, but I really, really love this app. I think it's a great way to get students engaged and especially to practice some of those skills that sometimes just students aren't super excited about. This is a way to get students really excited about their learning for some of those foundational skills. So I hope this was helpful and I hope you check it out. Thanks.